Consider earning $300 from the first 60 minutes of each day. In a matter of minutes, you'll have another $300 in your pocket. The payment notifications never end. This happened to me as well as others who earn a lot of money online. However, this procedure appears to be identified only to a few. I will discuss it with you as a reward for your loyalty. Then you can achieve the success and way of life you certainly deserve. This technique is completely free. To make or do this work, all you need is a smartphone or a desktop with internet connectivity, and we will need to have a word-related app. It is a great concept, yet it is very simple, including for newbies with no previous skills or abilities. Take notes now, and this is quite extensive. It's not really difficult, and it will improve your money situation. But before we dive into the tutorial, welcome to Online Cash Flow, where we teach you how to make money online fast and easy. Make sure to smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be always updated whenever I post new content on how to make money online. Please like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any questions and any suggestions. Feel free to visit HireSign.com. Take a look at this website's several freelance works, which allow us to work from home and make lots of money. Now I'm going to be showing you about using Microsoft Word to earn extra profit daily. Review the site for free online work from home offerings to get started. There is also no fee to get started, and this opportunity is transparent to anyone in the world. You will be compensated every day using the process of your choice. You can make extra money by typing, proofreading, and completing paid surveys. Now all you have to do is scroll deeper to check possibilities in graphic design jobs, PowerPoint presentation jobs, spreadsheets entry jobs, and many others. How to save a lot of time and money on this website? By placing all your effort into it. So let's go to proofreading. The fee usually ranges from $5 to $10 per page of the file. All that would be left is to double-check grammatical and spelling errors. Do you believe you can't communicate in English? Don't worry, no need to communicate with anybody, and no previous experience is needed. I will show you a work I am currently operating on in a moment. This section is divided into 2 pages, so they will pay you $15 per page, for a total of $30 for a 2-page paper. Repeat as necessary. To apply for a position as an online virtual proofreader, please follow this link. It's not as difficult as you imagine. At the end of this video, I'll reveal to you several free tools that can help you simplify your work. Remain for a long enough period of time to figure out what they are. This website is among my personal favorites as they provide competitive compensation when compared to other existing companies in the same sector. At around $15 per page, it is an incredible deal. They also have a better work-life balance. You decide how and what time you would like to put in, and then you can do it from the comfort of your own home. All you need to get started is a mobile phone or a desktop that is internet connected. Now I will begin the process of creating an account. The registration procedure might be a little tricky, so exercise caution. So read carefully to learn the process. Simply press here to apply to work as an online proofreader. It will take you to this page where you'll be able to see most of your options. Please do continue reading if you want to apply for a position. By clicking the link, you will be directed to a page that includes the submission rules as well as a button that says Proceed to Application. The Apply Now button will take you to the website's application form, which is where things get a little challenging. But before we continue with the video, thank you for making it this far. What are your thoughts about the video? Are you getting more excited to earn money online? Let us know. We love to hear from you. Please leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to the video. Go instantly to this page to reach the application form. To be approved and raise profits, you should first understand that you'll be asked these questions and that you must provide appropriate answers. I will walk you through the entire process. Individuals will be asked for their first and last name, as well as your age and email address. Following that, they will then request your password, which you'll need to verify before proceeding towards the next item, which is the selection of your notice term. Make your choice as quickly as possible as you'll be appointed within the next 24 hours. By doing so, you will be ready to work on the positions available below right away and make money. And here is the position you're looking for. Proofreading is a profitable job requiring the use of Microsoft Word. Choose a country from the drop-down menu. Choose your country of origin. Please remember that it is open to everyone around the world. And your job status has been set as a freelancer. This is crucial because the possibilities of being a freelancer are higher now than they had been previously, enabling me to show how to properly construct a self-introduction. Hello, my name is Enter Your Name. I am eager to work for this proofreading role at HireSign, and I am also transparent to other job opportunities. Then after, just click this box, the register button, then you should expect a response from them within 24 hours. Work on documents that you may have access to and earn money online. This Word file is 2 pages long. In our situation, we will take a fee of $30. You will complete 10 assigned tasks in less than an hour. So at this rate, 1 hour's worth of work will pay you more than $300. Take a look at the situation right here. You will be given a Word doc with grammar and spelling errors. Microsoft Word on the other side will recognize them instantly. As you'll see, multiple words have been highlighted in different colors, and you can instantly correct them with a couple of clicks of the right mouse button. Simply put, that's the end of the issue. All that's left for you to go through the entire manuscript looking for colored underlines and then right-clicking on the mistakes to have them fixed immediately by Microsoft Word. The great news is that you really can repeat the cycle, and I'd like to show you another piece of software that will create everything you need to do with this work very easily. Simply type reverse speller or spell checker into your web browser. It will help you determine and correct grammatical mistakes. Optionally, you can copy and paste information from the document you're actively working on into the section and then double-check everything with the yellow button on the right. This can all be accomplished by simply clicking the rephrase button here. What a simple idea, yet one that can be repeated indefinitely without being tedious. Then we'll go back to the file, select the text, and use the reverse speller to double-check the grammar or spelling in order for you to work quicker and earn more money. And that's it. If this video helped you a lot, we appreciate you finishing it until the end. Make sure that you like and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be updated on any videos that we will be uploading. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave any comments down below. Bye!